Top 4 fruits that rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia after 60. Aging is natural, yes, but losing your vitality doesn't have to be. There's a way to support your muscles and keep your body strong. Using something as simple and delightful as fruit. Yes, the right fruits can help protect you from muscle loss or sarcopenia and help you stay active and independent for longer. In this video, I want to share with you 4 powerful fruits that naturally fight muscle loss and help build strength without needing pills, powders, or complicated routines. Each one is backed by science, easy to find at your local grocery store, and safe even if you're managing diabetes or heart concerns. And the fruit that tops this list, it's something you probably have in your kitchen right now, but you may have never guessed just how powerful it is. So stick around to the end because you won't want to miss what's at number 1. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to leave a comment and where every tip is made with care just for you. Now, let's dive into the first fruit. If you're over 60 and you felt your strength slipping away, you're not imagining things. It's real. It's called sarcopenia, and it affects millions of older adults every year. But there's one delicious, creamy fruit that could be your secret weapon against it: avocado. Why muscle loss after 60 is a hidden danger. Let's not sugarcoat it. After 60, your body naturally starts to lose muscle. It happens slowly at first. You struggle a little more to get out of bed, your arms feel heavier, your legs tire faster. That's sarcopenia, and it's more than just getting old. It's a silent thief, stealing not just your strength, but your independence. But here's the good news: you can fight back naturally, starting with what you put on your plate. So what makes avocados so powerful for seniors? 1. Healthy fats for hormone balance. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, the kind that keeps your heart healthy and your hormones balanced. Why does this matter? Because your body needs certain hormones, like testosterone and growth hormone, to build and maintain muscle, and healthy fats help produce those hormones naturally. Yes, even women need testosterone, just in smaller amounts, to support lean muscle. 2. Potassium. Strong muscles and fewer cramps. Believe it or not, avocados contain more potassium than bananas. One medium avocado has around 975 milligrams of potassium. That's 28% of your daily needs. Potassium supports muscle contractions, prevents painful leg cramps, maintains hydration and strength. If you've ever had a Charlie horse in the middle of the night, your body may be begging for potassium, and avocado can answer that call. 3. Magnesium and B vitamins. The energy boosters. Avocados are also full of magnesium and B vitamins, both essential for muscle recovery, energy production, nervous system support. Think of them as the spark plugs that ignite your body's energy engine. Without them, you feel tired, weak, foggy, and muscle loss speeds up. How to add avocados to your diet? You don't need to be a gourmet chef. Try these simple ideas. Breakfast boost: spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast with a sprinkle of sea salt and lemon. Smoothie secret: add 1/4 avocado to your protein smoothie for extra creaminess. Toss into salads. Dice and add to mixed greens with olive oil and apple cider vinegar. Avocado plus egg, a powerful duo for breakfast or lunch. Just half an avocado a day can make a big difference. Avocados aren't just trendy. They're a healing fruit, designed by nature to restore what time tries to take away. So next time you're at the store, skip the sugary snacks and pick up this green gem. You're not just buying food, you're buying strength, balance, and freedom. Have you ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night with a sharp, twisting pain in your leg or foot? These signals often point to one silent cause: sarcopenia. Now here's the good news. There's a simple, affordable, and delicious weapon in the fight against these painful cramps and creeping muscle loss. Bananas are more than just a convenient snack. They're packed with a powerful combination of nutrients that fight off muscle cramps, replenish electrolytes, fuel your muscles with lasting energy, and support cellular repair deep inside your tissues. 1. Potassium, the cramp fighter. One of the biggest causes of muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue in older adults is low potassium. And guess what? One medium banana contains around 422 milligrams of potassium. That's a powerful dose in one single fruit. Potassium is essential for Smooth muscle contractions. Preventing tremors and twitching. Maintaining healthy blood pressure. Hydrating your body at the cellular level. If you're losing potassium through medications, sweating, or low intake, your muscles can literally short-circuit. So when your body lacks potassium, your legs lock up in pain. But with regular banana intake, you can restore balance and peace to your nights and days. 2. Magnesium and vitamin B6. The muscle repair duo. Bananas also contain magnesium, another key nutrient that works hand in hand with potassium. Magnesium calms muscle tension, reduces inflammation, helps muscles recover after daily activity or walking. And paired with vitamin B6, bananas become a natural recovery aid, ideal for seniors who want to stay active and mobile. 3. Fast energy for daily movement. Bananas are a great source of natural carbohydrates, the kind your body turns into energy slowly and steadily. Unlike sugary snacks or energy drinks that spike and crash your system, bananas give you stable energy, mental clarity, motivation to move. Just one banana before a walk or light workout can give you the endurance to keep going and avoid fatigue. How to enjoy bananas for muscle health. Here are some tasty and senior-friendly ways to add bananas into your daily routine. Morning starter. Slice onto your oatmeal with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Quick snack. Pair with a tablespoon of peanut butter or Greek yogurt. Smoothie magic. Blend with spinach, avocado, and almond milk. Healthy dessert. Mash and mix with chia seeds, then chill overnight for a pudding. Bananas are portable, affordable, and incredibly versatile. No need for expensive powders or pills. Your muscle medicine is right in your fruit bowl. Many seniors drink water, but forget about electrolytes. Hydration without minerals is like putting gas in your car with no oil. Things stop working. Bananas are nature's electrolyte blend. They deliver what your muscles need to fire properly. Stay hydrated. Avoid strain or tearing. Bananas might seem ordinary, but inside that yellow peel is a natural shield against weakness, pain, and energy loss. It's not just fruit, it's fuel for your freedom. A natural shield against sarcopenia and aging. Pomegranate is one of the most antioxidant-rich fruits in the world. That means it protects your cells from oxidative stress, a damaging process that leads to muscle breakdown, fatigue, inflammation, and premature aging. Think of oxidative stress like rust forming inside your body. Over time, it eats away at your strength. But antioxidants, they're your internal anti-rust warriors, and pomegranate is packed with them. 1. Ellagic acid and punicalagin, the muscle-protecting duo. These two powerful antioxidants are found almost exclusively in pomegranates. What do they do? Ellagic acid helps preserve lean muscle tissue by fighting inflammation. Punicalagin supports your blood vessels, improving circulation to the muscles so they can recover and grow. Together, they act like a protective shield, slowing down the natural loss of muscle due to aging. Pomegranate doesn't just stop muscle breakdown, it encourages your body to rebuild what's been lost. 2. Boosts blood flow and oxygen to muscles. Muscles need oxygen to survive, repair, and grow. As we age, circulation can slow down, meaning muscles don't get what they need. Pomegranate juice has been shown to increase nitric oxide production, which widens blood vessels, improve blood flow to muscles and the heart, enhance endurance and energy during physical activity. This means better performance during walks, stretching, or even chores, and faster recovery afterward. 3. Supports mitochondrial health. Have you heard of mitochondria? They're the tiny power plants inside your cells that give you energy. As you age, mitochondria weaken, which leads to fatigue, slow metabolism, and, yes, muscle loss. But guess what? Pomegranate contains urothalin a compound that has been shown to activate mitochondria, improve muscle endurance, support cellular repair and renewal. It's like turning the power back on inside your body. How to eat pomegranate for muscle health. Pomegranate can be enjoyed in many ways. Eat the seeds fresh with a spoon, perfect with breakfast or a salad. Drink unsweetened pomegranate juice. Blend into a smoothie with banana and Greek yogurt. Sprinkle seeds on oatmeal, yogurt, or even roasted vegetables. Important tip: avoid sugary, pomegranate-flavored products. Go for the real thing to get the full benefit. Inflammation in older adults. Chronic inflammation is a silent threat for people over 60. It weakens muscles, damages joints, and drains energy. But pomegranate's anti-inflammatory properties help cool down this inner fire, protecting not just your muscles, but your heart, brain, and joints as well. Chronic inflammation is a silent threat for people over 60. It weakens muscles, damages joints, and drains energy. But pomegranate's anti-inflammatory properties help cool down this inner fire, protecting not just your muscles, but your heart, brain, and joints as well. Pomegranate is more than a fruit. It's a symbol of vitality, a shield against aging, and a warrior for your muscles. The overlooked danger: metabolic slowdown after 60. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down. That means your body burns fewer calories, builds less muscle, and stores more fat, even if your habits haven't changed. The result: weight gain, loss of strength, higher risk of type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular issues. But here's where the apple shines. 1. Rich in fiber. Feeds your gut, fuels your muscles. One medium apple contains about 4 grams of fiber, especially soluble fiber in the form of pectin. Why is this so important? Because fiber does more than help digestion. It stabilizes your blood sugar, reduces inflammation, feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which directly affects your muscle and immune health. Your gut is your body's second brain, and apples help keep it healthy and responsive, especially important as you age. 2. Natural polyphenol, your body's inner armor. Apples are rich in polyphenol, plant compounds that fight oxidative stress, support muscle recovery after activity, improve vascular function, helping your muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need to grow. Polyphenol have even been shown to support fat metabolism, meaning your body can burn more fat instead of muscle as you age. 3. Quercetin, the anti-fatigue fighter. One of the most powerful compounds in apples is quercetin, a natural antioxidant with anti-inflammatory and anti-fatigue properties. Studies have shown that quercetin boosts endurance and energy production, fights off chronic fatigue, helps protect muscles during stress or illness. It's like internal armor for your cells, and it's waiting for you in every crunchy bite of an apple. How to add apples to your daily routine. Apples are affordable, portable, and require zero preparation. Here are some great ideas. Slice into oatmeal with cinnamon for a muscle-loving breakfast. Eat one whole with nut butter for a fiber plus protein snack. Chop into a chicken or tuna salad for a sweet twist. Grate into yogurt with walnuts and honey. Bake with a sprinkle of oats and olive oil for a warm dessert. Pro tip: keep the skin on. Most of the fiber and nutrients are found there. Many seniors avoid fruit because they've been told fruit has sugar. While that's true, it's natural sugar, surrounded by fiber, water, and nutrients. Unlike cookies or candy, apples don't spike your blood sugar the same way, and they come with a huge health benefit package. So skipping apples for fear of sugar? That's a health time bomb you want to defuse immediately. Apples may be simple, but their effects are profound. They're affordable, accessible, and filled with cell healing power that can protect your muscles, brain, and heart. So don't underestimate the power of an apple a day. Because in your 60s and beyond, it's not just a snack. It's a signal to your body that you still care and still plan to stay strong. You discovered that muscle loss after 60 isn't inevitable. It's something you can fight back against. And not with expensive supplements or painful routines, but with something as natural and accessible as fruit. Avocado gave you healthy fats and hormone support. Banana restored your electrolytes and prevented cramps. Pomegranate healed you from within and boosted blood flow. Apple awakened your metabolism and guarded your muscles. Tell us in the comments, which of these fruits are already part of your diet? Which one will you try this week to support your muscles? Do you have any stories of strength or transformation to share? We'd love to hear them. And don't forget, like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for weekly health tips made just for you. Share this with a friend over 60 who needs to hear this today.